Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the shortest airdrop program in history, but with incredibly impressive rewards, total prizes of up to $300,000. This event will only last for 5 days. Before diving into the exciting details, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support our team. This is an airdrop program from SoSoValue, and since it's only available for 5 days, make sure to act quickly to not miss out on this amazing opportunity. Before we go into the step-by-step guide, let's take a quick look at what SoSoValue is all about. SoSoValue is a one-stop financial research platform tailored for cryptocurrency investors. It delivers real and high-quality macro market information to aid investors in conducting more effective investment research. The platform features an AI-based classified news and research system, linking macroeconomic data with the cryptocurrency market to provide comprehensive insights. The project has raised up to $5.14 million in funding from investors such as Hongshan Alumni Ventures Group, GSR Ventures, and several other funds. The project is currently active, and I have a very positive evaluation of it. Let's join this event from SoSoValue together. Step 1. Visit the following link to register an account. The registration link is provided in the description of this video. You can log in using your Google, Apple, Telegram account, etc. I chose to log in with Google. Step 2. After successfully registering, I received a glowing sock. You can then proceed to complete the next tasks. Follow along with what I'm doing. Once all social media tasks are completed, all of my socks are glowing. Step 3. Go to the EXP section to see the points you've earned. Here, you can increase your points by checking in daily, completing daily tasks provided by the project, and sharing your referral link with friends. Additionally, if you install the SoSoValue app on your phone, you'll receive 225,000 points. That's the end of my guide on how to participate in the SoSoValue airdrop. I hope you'll earn a lot of money from this project. Wishing you all success. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on potential future projects. Thank you so much.